Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making Hawaiian chicken in the slow cooker. Let's begin. We have here 4 chicken breasts and it's close to 2.5 pounds. Let's cut them into chunks. And it should look something like this. Cut the tip off first. Cut it down the middle. And cut them into chunks. There we go. I'm gonna change out my gloves. We have here 1 can of pineapple chunks and it's around 20 ounces. We also have here 1 yellow onion all chopped up and it should look something like this. I'll pour that in too. Next we'll put in the chunks of chicken. We have here a 1/2 cup of brown sugar nicely packed in and we're just going to take it and sprinkle it on top. Next we'll need 1/3 cup of soy sauce. Here's 1/3 cup. Just going to pour it on top. There we go. Next we're going to add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. It's 1 tablespoon. Spread it out a little bit. And lastly, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Next, we're going to close it up. We're going to turn it to low for a total time of 5 hours. Okay, it's been a total time of 5 hours so far. Make sure at the halfway point to stir everything around and close it back up. And now it's ready to go. We have here 2 tablespoons of water. And we're going to mix in some cornstarch. It's 1 tablespoon and 2 tablespoons. Mix everything all around. Looking good. I'm just going to add 1 more tablespoon, so that's 3 tablespoons of water. There you go. Looking good. Next, we're going to add the cornstarch and water mixture to thicken up the sauce. Stir everything around. You can add more cornstarch and water mixture to thicken up the sauce to your preference. We're just going to add a little bit more. Looking good, the sauce is thickened up. Next, we're going to sprinkle some green onions on top. Looking good. We're just going to sprinkle some extra green onions on top. Okay, this is what we have today, Hawaiian chicken made in the slow cooker. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.